EAS!
Proceeding was a test of the National Warning Service alarm sound. In dangerous weather situations, especially if the system is automatically activated to warn you of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers by this system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there's a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm transmitted over National Weather Service radio stations in northern Illinois and northwest Indiana will be activated for watches and or warnings affecting counties in the listening area. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. The variability, normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program.
At 11 o'clock a.m. at the Chicago Rockford Airport, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 57 degrees. The dew point was 31, and the relative